Hello friends, welcome back. Today, I will be talking about 5 deadly fruits that should be avoided. So, let's get started. 1. Ackee. A fruit native to Jamaica, ackee contains hypoglycin A and B, which can cause Jamaican vomiting sickness if consumed when not fully ripe or improperly prepared. The illness can cause severe vomiting, seizures, and in some cases, death. 2. Manchineel. Known as the most dangerous tree in the world, manchineel produces small, green fruits that resemble apples, but are highly toxic. Contact with the tree, or its sap, can cause severe skin irritation, and ingestion of the fruit can be fatal. 3. Calabar bean. A legume, native to West Africa, the calabar bean contains physostigmine, a potent toxin that can cause paralysis, convulsions, and death. 4. Daphne. A small, ornamental shrub that produces attractive, red or pink berries. Daphne contains toxins that can cause severe gastrointestinal symptoms, including vomiting and diarrhea, as well as cardiovascular problems, and even death. 5. Strychnine tree. A tree native to Southeast Asia and India. The seeds of this tree contain the highly toxic alkaloid, strychnine. Ingestion of even a small amount of the seeds can cause seizures, muscle spasms, and death.